English. English is not just a language, it is a key. It's a key that can open thousands of doors in your life. Many people think, why should we learn English language? I'm okay without it. I don't need English language. But listen carefully. English is not about showing off. It's not about becoming foreigner. It's not about changing who you are. It's all about growing yourself. Imagine this. You have talent, you have intelligence, you are so smart, you have dreams bigger than others. But sometimes this world cannot see your talent because language becomes the wall. And English is here to break that wall. You know, nowadays, this whole world is connected through English language. If you know English, you can travel without fear. You can grow your business all over the world. You can learn skills from global teachers. You can use internet like a pro. You can express yourself like a confident speaker. And most importantly, you don't feel left behind. Many people stay silent in front of others, not because they are weak, but because they don't know how to express themselves in front of others. They are smart enough, they have ideas, they are intelligent, but their silence steals their chance. And friends, have you ever experienced this pain? How painful is this? Just because of one skill, just because of one skill, people start doubting themselves. But here is the truth: English is just a skill. It's not intelligence, it's not smartness, it's not status, it's just a skill. And anyone can learn it. Yes, anyone can learn it. If you are a homemaker, if you are a job seeker, if you are a working professional, if you are a student, if you are from Hindi medium school, if you are from metropolitan city, if you are from villages, you can learn English language. I am here to assure you you can learn English language without any doubt. You don't need to go expensive schools. You don't need to join expensive online coaching. You can learn it on your own just by spending only 20 minutes. 20 minutes every single day with consistency. Yes, friends. The thing which I have mentioned here, your journey is nothing without this. Consistency can bring anything in your life. And English is all about consistency. Learning English language is all about consistency. Becoming fluent English language is all about being consistent on the journey of learning English language. Just think about it. People spend hours and hours scrolling social media. But even if you spend half of that time in learning English language every single day for a year, then what happens? Everything improves. Your confidence improves. Your communication improves. And opportunities come in your life. And it happens just because of being consistent on your journey. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need expensive classes. You just need to be consistent on the journey of learning English. Let me make it clear one thing: English language is not about losing your mother tongue. It's all about learning one new tool. You, when you learn English language, then what happens? I know that Hindi is your mother tongue, but English can be a tool that can bring everything in your life, as a farmer does. A farmer use modern technology. He uses everything, modern machines, modern agriculture, machineries, everything he uses, and still he remain only farmer. Then what will happen if you will start learning English language? You will be in touch of your mother tongue, even if you learn English language. So don't feel shy. Don't feel shame of learning English language. You don't need to show you are perfect one. People are going to make mistake if they will start their journey. So you have to keep only one thing in your mind. Even if you are a beginner, you have to have that guts to embrace yourself. That yeah, I'm a beginner, I will definitely make mistake. There's no doubt. If somebody wants to laugh, then they can. Let them laugh. One day, your fluency can make them silent. Yes, friends. And just keep only one thing in your mind. Your first day of learning English language can help you to become fluent in English language. If you are thinking that when I will be perfect, then I will start my journey, then I will start speaking, then nothing is going to happen. So that's why if you are someone who is feeling that I cannot learn on my own, then I am here to help you. I am starting WhatsApp groups, okay, where I can help beginners. It's especially for beginners. If any homemaker wants to learn English language, then I am here to help you. You just need to message me. I will share all the details in the description box. You can just WhatsApp me and I will definitely help you. And I will say only one thing. As English language has changed everything in my life, my confidence has improved, my communication has improved, and now I can live my life as I want. So everything will be changed in your life as well. You just need to have faith in yourself and you need to start your journey right away. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.